Hi everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course. According to these parameters, this review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course according to my recommendation. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design mastery program by Daksha Training Services, and this is the course highlight about the tools Figma, XP, Canva there, and help in building design portfolios also there. And this is the course description overview about the wireframe and prototypes. Visual journeys is also important, and design for web, mobile, and beyond. This is the career opportunities after the completion of course, yeah, but you will achieve. And no detailed knowledge about the tools, only Figma, XP, and Canva. There are no AI tools involved. Like Figma Mate, FitJam, Miro, ChatGPT, Framer, Invasion. No proper detailing about the fundamentals, introductions, no modules are there about the UI UX, but they are going to teach you in a detail. It's just a short overview and looks like it's a very beginning level UI UX course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, it's a 0 in depth. Fundamentally, it's 0.5 for me for giving a short intro about the UI UX. UI design quality is also 0.5 for me. Hands-on project is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Tools and training is again 0.5 for me. Mentorship and feedback is also 0. Portfolio development, helpment is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. And placement and career support is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Course piece is 0 according to me because many better courses in the market are still there. And if we go down, industry relevance update is 0.5 for me. So if we total, it's 2.5 out of 10, and I will not recommend this course because it's a below than a beginner level course because they are not providing any depth, especially in tools and in UI UX fundamentals. Again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters, which covers all the fundamental, but I will not recommend this course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX fundamentals and also covers the tools and software training related to AI and future oriented course, and also help in portfolio development, placement and career support, and also make you guide about the industry relevance and updates in the futures, overall helping in improving the overall design quality. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.